Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to erase part of an image in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Erasing part of an image in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the design that you are working with or the project that you and your collaborators or team members are working into. If you haven't decided yet, just click on the templates. You can choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. Or if you have like a design in your mind, just click on the create a design option here on the upper left corner. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnails because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a thumbnail in our GPlaps YouTube channel. Now, this is the design that I'm currently working with. Okay. For you to be able to erase part of an image, all you're going to do is hover to the edit button here on the top corner. And there's going to be an option here that says Magic Eraser. But the idea is you can only use this if you are using the Pro subscription. Alright, so there's no other way for that. Now, if you don't have the Pro subscription, what you can do is go to the blur option here. You can basically make the brush size a little bit bigger if you wanted. All right, so the intensity, you can maximize that. So what I wanted to do is erase this title and just leave the image within the photo. All right, I don't want this text. Instead, I'm just gonna retain the picture. Now, all I gotta do is click on that. All right, so this is going to be one of your ways for you to erase part of an image here in Canva. Now, I'm going to quickly switch to my other Canva account, which has the Pro subscription. So I would be able to utilize and use the Magic Eraser button here without any problem. Just give me a quick second. Now, once the file has been uploaded, I'm just going to click on the edit button right here. And then I'm going to use the Magic Eraser. Now you can set the brush again to the size that you wanted. I'm going to increase that so it's a lot easier. And from here, the purple color is not putting a color on your image, but instead it's going to be the surface area that's going to be affected once I click on the erase. You see, that is one of the easiest way for you to erase a part of an image here in Canva. It works wonders, right? Now let's add another page, okay, and let's use this one. I'm gonna click on edit again, and what I'm going to do is click the Magic Eraser. For example, I'm just gonna remove this guy right here. Very easy. All I'm gonna do is click on erase, and that's that. All right. Basically, that's how you, if you want to remove the background or other parts of an image to isolate a specific subject, such as a person, product, or logo for a cleaner look, or to place it in a new background. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.